Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android touchscreen not working. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android touchscreen is not responding. It was working fine the day before, but I woke up to find that my Android touchscreen is not working after I took my phone to bed last night. Any taps do not work. I tried everything I know, but none of them worked. How can I fix Android touchscreen not working? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android touchscreen not working properly. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Software failure. The solution is to force restart your Android phone. Software failures can affect the operation of your Android phone screen. This is often a simple solution. Force restart can quickly clear them up, so you don't have to worry about the Android touchscreen not responding problem. Force restarting your Android phone can restore your Android phone screen to normal operation. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to restart and hopefully your Android phone screen will be back to normal. Cause 2. Battery issues. The solution is to remove the battery. If your Android phone has a removable battery, remove it and wait for a minute, then install the battery properly and turn on the phone. After turning on the phone, try to touch or click to see if your touchscreen not working problem on Android is solved. Cause 3. SIM card or SD card failure. The solution is to take out a SIM card or SD card. A damaged, faulty or improperly inserted SIM card may cause Android touchscreen not working sometimes. To eliminate this possibility, turn off your Android phone and carefully remove the SIM card and SD card. If it is dirty, clean it. If it is damaged, contact your carrier manufacturer to get a replacement. If the SIM card is in good condition, just put it back in the tray and push it back. Now, restart your Android phone and the Android phone screen should be able to return to normal. Cause 4. Screen protector or phone case. The solution is to remove screen protectors and phone cases. When you find your Android not responding to touch, this is a very simple solution. Sometimes the screen protector or phone case is not installed correctly, which can also cause your Android touchscreen not working. So please remove the screen protector and phone case. After removing it, clean the screen and see if your Android phone display responds to touch and clicks. Cause 5. Third-party application issues. The solution is to enter safe mode. Sometimes, an Android phone touchscreen may not work intermittently because an app that was opened crashed. To check if an app is causing the touchscreen issue, try booting your Android phone into safe mode. Safe mode only runs apps originally installed on your Android phone and is not affected by third-party apps. To try the solution, follow these steps. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone display works fine in safe mode, find and remove the app you suspect may be causing the Android touchscreen not responding issue. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. Cause 6. Under attack by unknown person. The solution here is to perform a factory reset. This measure is a little bit drastic, because it needs to clear away the malware along with all your stored data and content on the device. But if you have backups, then feel free to try it as it's an effective step to remove all kinds of software-related errors and revive the system. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when your Android touchscreen not responding. This is an official troubleshooting mode, so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to boot up and see if the Android touchscreen not working issue is fixed. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix a screen that isn't working right on Android, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.